Hey YouTube, so yesterday I did my first mod, quote unquote, to the Ford Raptor. I installed some Rokblokz mud flaps on it. It took me maybe just over an hour to do. Pretty simple. I definitely recommend it. As you can see, I live out here on a gravel driveway. I get it, it's a truck, it's gonna get rock chips, it's gonna get dented and dinged here and there. But if I can prevent it a little bit, why not do that? Especially from the beginning here while it's new. So, not to mention, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. So I'll do a quick walk around video, but forgive me, again, the wind is pretty bad today. So I'll doing all my talking in here, and then I'll do a quick walk around video of it, and we'll wrap up. Yesterday the wind did die down for a couple of hours, allowing me to wash it. So we got a clean truck today. So we'll do a quick walk around. The fronts were real simple to install. All you gotta do is turn the wheel, and then you can pop each of these bolts out, then just replace them with the equipment that we give. The backs were a little more difficult because you actually had to drill a hole in the fender up here, which was a little nerve-wracking, but after some precise measurements, we made it look good. Again, this is one we needed to drill. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? As always, thank you for watching.